Recovering deleted messages on Venmo can be challenging, as the app does not have a built-in feature for retrieving deleted messages. However, you can try a few methods to potentially recover important information. Follow these steps to explore your options. Step 1. Check your email notifications. Look for any email notifications from Venmo regarding your transactions. If you have email notifications enabled, you might find details of your messages or transactions in your inbox. Step 2. Review your transaction history. Open the Venmo app and navigate to your transaction history. While this won't recover deleted messages, you may find relevant transaction details that can help you remember the context of the conversation. Step 3. Contact Venmo support. Reach out to Venmo's customer support for assistance. They may not be able to recover deleted messages, but they can provide guidance on what options are available or if there are any updates regarding message recovery. Step 4. Check your device backups. If you regularly back up your device, check if you have a backup from before the messages were deleted. Restoring your device from a backup may retrieve the messages if they were stored in the app at that time. Step 5. Use third-party recovery tools. Consider using third-party data recovery tools that specialize in retrieving deleted data from apps. Be cautious with this option, as not all tools are reliable, and some may compromise your privacy. In conclusion, while recovering deleted messages on Venmo is not straightforward, exploring these options may help you retrieve important information or at least provide some context for your transactions.